Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you Android package installer not working. So the first thing you can do is open settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and again you need to tap on all apps. On the top right corner tap on three dots icon, then tap on show system apps. On the search bar click over there and search package installer, then tap on force stop. After that you again need to tap on storage and cache and tap on clear storage. This will reset your phone, and the second thing you can do is restart your phone. If that does not work, the next thing you can do is go back to settings, scroll down and tap on system update. On the top right corner tap on settings icon, then enable the smart upgrade. When you toggle on smart upgrade, new versions can be automatically downloaded and installed over Wi-Fi. There is no need to wait and download manually, and after that our Android package installer will start working. Thank you for watching.